just free holding this right now, guys. He is lining up pretty darn good. Got it in there real smooth. I want to go ahead some GoPro mounts on the truck. I might do that soon. I need to buy some more. I could put them on the truck and use the GoPro. I'm talking about GoPros. I just pre-ordered the GoPro 7. So should be able to get multi-angle 4K footage with the drone. It's going to be awesome. I just need to get a better mic setup. Best looking back, but hey, it works, right? So I'm gonna go into Walmart. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping. I guess I'll record a little bit, edit a little bit, and don't have my wallet. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do some cooking videos soon. I'm getting really tired of eating fast food. Alright, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, got my wallet now. I have no idea how good the shot is, but there's the truck. I guess it's in the shot, I guess. I wish the GoPro had a screen on the front so you can actually see how you look. I guess I could use my phone. But as I was saying, I want to get some cooking videos going. I'm getting a little tired of eating fast food. So I might do some Italian dishes soon, because I've been dying for Italian. So I'm just gonna kind of look around a little bit and go from there, really. So yeah, all right, well, let me get in Walmart and we'll go take a look around. So I lost my handheld. I do kind of like to get another handheld camera, but these, I think they're, I don't know, not what I want. Yeah. So any GoPro stuff that I want here? Probably not. Oh, that is actually a really good suction cup. I could get better mounts, or not better, but more mounts on eBay or Amazon. Oh, the chest rig would be kind of cool. Yeah, no. I
kind of got everything else. This would be kind of nice. I might get that once I get the Hero 7. I'm getting the black, that's why I ordered. So yeah. Fresh Parmesan. If I do something, it would be this. Alright, let's kind of keep looking. I'm kind of trying to figure out what exactly what I want to make. I'm not going to buy anything right now. Just kind of looking. Maybe not. I don't know. Chicken. Or shrimp. Yeah, let's do something shrimp. Frozen, I mean, raw shrimp, ideally. Alright, that's an idea. Let's take a look at spices. Let's see which ones I got, or think of the ones I might need to get. Now, I do want to get a good curry, of not for spaghetti, but in general, I want to get a nice curry. Turmeric. I can make my own funnel curry. Turmeric, fentanyl. Saffron, that's expensive stuff, man. They got almost everything you'd need to make a curry. I don't know if I would want to though. Ooh, orange peel. I think this would be really good on some chicken breasts. Do this in like a maybe a lemon pepper. That could be quite interesting. I like dillweed. It's really good with eggs. I don't know if you guys would like me doing cooking videos or not, but you know what? My YouTube channel is just kind of, it's me. Oh, I want cornbread now. I love good cornbread. Camera's tilted. Ah, there we go. Garlic shrimp sauce, like a
shrimp scampi with a little spice in it, and that would be good. And then I might get on Amazon or eBay and grab some curry spice to do some chicken curry. I found out, you know, since I've been on the road, I really like chicken curry. It's actually pretty good stuff. So I'm going to try to learn how to make it myself. It doesn't seem to be that hard. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, so I'm going to try to do some of that. Like I said before, I am free holding this camera, so I'm hoping the video is semi-stable. But anyway, that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that back at the beginning, and then just me moseying on through Walmart, just trying to find something to eat, or not eat, cook, thinking about ideas. I don't think I'm going to have time to cook today, but should have time to cook. I'm hoping in the next few days. I'm going to try to work that out. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got to say. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, and my hair is blowing my face. I need to get some more hair ties. The ones I have, they're no good now. I need some new ones. Anyway, oh hey, ladies, got a question for you. I got some terrible split ends. Got any recommendations? There's the truck. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See ya.